You don't have to. It's not a time bomb. You can edit stuff out. So yeah, so I have started recording as well.
Okay.
So let's like generally try and be a little loud.
Okay.
Okay, so that we are audible.
So I'll start with mine.
Mm-hmm.
So hi, my name is Karan. I'm an engineer working in Muscat. I mean, because that's the only remarkable thing I've done in my last 25 years, right? So I have to put it there.
Right.
Something which I've achieved.
I'm also an engineer, but I don't
Yeah.
like to show off.
So true, but that is the only thing I can put it on my resume. And I would like to introduce myself as just a fan who follows cricket passionately and loves to talk about sports and anything in general.
Yeah. So I'm Jaydev. I'm also a cricket fan. I'm an engineer, but I don't like to show off, as I said.
Thank you.
Right. So, but yeah. So I'm from Ahmedabad, but I've been living in Muscat for about 3.5 years now. And yeah, I'm also like a proper cricket buff. Not having as much knowledge, but or the idea of I'm not a good stat man, but but yeah, I'm like I have my theories and I'm always up for a cricket discussion and like that is one of the things that I'm most passionate about. So yeah.
And I'm Utkarsh. I'm an ACCA.
Oh, showing off.
Yeah, I mean, if everyone's an engineer, okay, so RB is the second best thing a parent would want. So yeah, and I'm a casual cricket fan who has somewhat decent knowledge, at least lesser knowledge than you guys. But it's something that I've been following along with football, and it's something I'd like to talk about as well.
So, so the reason that I asked you guys for this podcast, like genuinely, was that like I always like you remember like there have been days where we've had like conversations about cricket for
Hours and hours.
hours. Like literally, I remember there was a day. So like we were talking on our company like SIM. So like it's free of cost, and I think this around this time, like it was a Friday afternoon. That call lasted for 3.5 hours.
Wow.
Okay, and like the call got cancelled in the sense like Omantel say वो कट गया. They're like so my service provider is like bus.
Okay.
They're like एक call 3.5 घंटा चला. So I'm always up for a good cricket discussion, and the thing is that I'm not that good with stats or this thing, but like when I analyze stats, when I read about it, तब like कि मज़ा आता है कि हाँ ओ नाइस like analysis करने का. So and बचपन से cricket खेले देखे तो इंडियन टीम को follow किया है तो वो passion है.
And just to clarify, for the 3.5 hours, we talk about cricket.
Yeah.
We're discussing cricket.
Yeah.
Me, I actually just always grew up to be a cricket fan, a big Sachin fan, wanting to be.
Oh, Marathi.
Yeah, Marathi, and I mean Sachin, of course, at that time was like the best,
Yeah.
and he, of course, you can say is one of, if not the best, one of the best
Definitely.
cricketers ever.
Yeah.
And also, I wanted to become a cricketer as well.
Oh yeah.
I mean, every guy in the every
100%.
8-year-old wants to be
No,
a
but
cricketer.
I was very serious about it. I started my cricket coaching, you can say, at the age of 5 or something like that.
Okay.
Like going for proper cricket coaching and all that. And as a 9-year-old, I even went to Sharjah with my cricket coaching to play a tournament.
Showing off.
Yes,
I think
yes, flexing.
I'm the humble one. Like I'm not showing off. Yeah.
Yeah, and also I tell this to all my friends. I mean, I'm not ashamed of it, but in that cricket tournament, I scored 13 runs of 77 balls. Everyone made fun of me.
So you're the
but,
Pujara.
Yeah.
I was,
Pujara.
and the
You're actually the Dravid of your time.
Yeah.
This time the Pujara nahi tha.
the funny thing was my idol was Sachin, but I used to play like Dravid.
Dravid, yeah.
So
Not everybody can be Sachin.
yeah,
That's all.
that's there.
Yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea that we're all basically cricket buffs, and I think that's let's foray into our like what we want to talk about today. I think a good place to start off is as Indians, why are we so gravitated towards cricket, and what is this fascination? Like,
I think cricket is in our genes, I would say. Yeah,
I agree.
I mean, and by the time we have grown up, the only sport we have seen people talking about is cricket, and of course Sachin being a larger than life superstar what he is. I mean, the cricket was something which was not something which you have adopted. It's something which you have inherited naturally. Right, and just like as you said, every 8 year wanted to be a cricketer. So.
Oh, 100%. I think.
Yeah, I mean, by the time you have something to hold on to, which looks like a bat, and you'll always have a stroke of it.
Like even now.
Yeah.
Even now, मतलब वो क्रिकेट इतना सर में चढ़ा हुआ है कि मैं काम करते करते लाइक किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ एंड सडनली आई विल बी लाइक हाथ में कुछ है नहीं, ठीक है, बट सडनली आई जस्ट रैंडमली लाइक और ऐसा अगर ऑफिस में वो पैसेज वे अगर मिल गया ना तो चल रहे हैं स्ट्रेट
बॉलिंग एक्शन
वो करने का ही है, लाइक वो दैट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट एंड इट्स फनी लाइक एंड आई हेट पीपल हु डू दैट, बट मैं भी करता हूँ लाइक कि आई हेट इट कि एंड क्यों बट yeah, so one of the reasons that I feel that as as Indians especially, why are our what is our obsession with cricket? तो मुझे लगता है एक तो like the obvious thing is कि हम लोग को और कुछ आता नहीं, ठीक है, मतलब we are not really good at anything else, and no but seriously why we are good at cricket is because हम लोग को Britishers के टाइम से like that is what we watched them play, and because cricket was invented by them and they didn't have anybody to play with, तो हम लोग को सिखा दिया कि अभी चलो सामने वाली एक टीम हो जाएगी, so basically लगान तो हाँ तो उसकी वजह से and then it's just been a generational thing. क्रिकेट तो किसी को कुछ आइडिया भी नहीं है, फिर भी उसको क्रिकेट का पूरा पता है कि हाँ टेस्ट मैच चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है.
But if you think about it, it's actually a very complicated game. I mean, if you see, if you want to explain it to a non-cricketing person, it's very difficult because there are n number of ways you can get out. There are so many rules, right? So it's very difficult for a non-cricketing nation to come up and start developing an interest. This is something which you have to do it for a longer period of time. And I think when Lagan came, there was this recently this making of Lagan was launched on YouTube, right? Like how the movie was made. At the time, I was reading one of the article where they states that why the cricket is so much loved in India is like when the Britishers started playing cricket in India. Okay, the Britishers was a top league people, right? The rich people, so-called rich people. So when a average Indian goes and see a Britisher playing in cricket, he had that thinking that it's a luxurious sport, only few people can afford it. So even playing a cricket was seen as a level of that stature or a social stature, which is like this player is playing cricket, so maybe he's a rich guy. Like Patodis and all, right? How they got introduced to cricket because they were Maharajas, they afford to play cricket, right? So it was seen as something which was like people with a high stature are playing.
That's why it was called it's still called the
gentleman's game, right? Yeah. So and then we invented, okay, they are playing, so we should also play. So average Indians started playing it, and then it becomes.
But now it's become such a thing that you can see every kid on the street will make use of anything. Not especially if it's a bat, they could take anything. It's not even a ball, but you can play cricket. It's become like you said, from a rich man's game to now anyone's game.
I think the most popular form of cricket in India is gully cricket. I think that is another episode.
One of the interesting thing about gully cricket is every gully has their own rules.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. उसमें अगर घुस गए हम लोग discuss करने तो that is a different topic, 3.5 hour long conversation. कि कैसे rules होते हैं क्या. The game has evolved so much and there's so much more to grasp at. There's so much more to talk about. I think it's become more and more interesting. कि अच्छा अभी ये भी एक factor हो गया. And with technology and with other rules coming up, कितने rules है cricket.
It's very complicated game.
It's a very complicated game. And ऐसे तो मतलब हम लोग Indians सब चीज में चलता है, but जब cricket की बात आती है तो कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ते कि हम लोग क्रिकेट के ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए या and everybody has an opinion. ठीक है, इंडिया में किसी को भी पूछो ना, सब लोग क्रिकेट के एक्सपर्ट है. कि जब मेरे को याद है, पता है जो वर्ल्ड कप 2019 का वर्ल्ड कप जब अपने नंबर 4 का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि नंबर 4 पे किसको भेजेंगे it was a topic of national debate.
Correct.
You know, like it was literally a topic के everybody had an opinion. Because हमेशा कैसा होता है कि everything converges towards the World Cup.
Yeah.
कि वर्ल्ड कप में क्या टीम उतारेंगे, यू नो, कि इसको वर्ल्ड कप के लिए तैयार कर रहे हैं या टीम हमको वर्ल्ड कप के लिए तैयार कर रही है. लाइक वो हम लोग कितना डिस्कस करते हैं. देखो याद है 2019 वाला वर्ल्ड कप. एंड तो वो आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो लाइक हम कितना डिस्कस, लाइक वी आर सो ऑब्सेस्ड विद लाइक क्रिकेट के झगड़े हो जाते हैं लोगों के, यू नो, एंड लाइक ओपिनियंस पे कि नहीं ऐसा
Virat and Team Dhoni is always a WhatsApp banter.
या वो तो अलग ही एक
तो अलग ही chapter out
लाइक
है.
इवन गाइस एट वर्क हम लोग का जब डिस्कशन चलता है तो लॉट ऑफ देम आर फ्रॉम चेन्नई, तो दे आर लाइक ऑल धोनी सपोर्टर्स, तो दे हेट कोहली लाइक एनीथिंग.
Oh, they hate him.
Oh, 100%. They are like मतलब obviously like they always they hate him in the sense कि they are comparing him to Dhoni and they're like कि धोनी ऐसा था, धोनी वैसा था, and कोहली बैट्समैन ठीक है but you know as a captain उसने क्या किया है, क्या ही किया है. and हमारा डिस्कशन इस पे कितना हुआ था. I was also like being the devil's advocate कि मैंने बोला कि कोहली को निकाल देना चाहिए, you know, like as captain he's a good batsman but वैसा. तो everybody has their expert opinion कि क्या होना चाहिए. What I like most, तब तो हम थोड़े छोटे थे बट मेरे को याद है जब सचिन की इंजरीज वाला वो पूरा था,
That phase.
that whole phase, तेरे को अगर याद हो तो everybody was a doctor. ठीक है, पूरा सबने सीख लिया.
Tennis elbow.
Tennis elbow.
Tennis
You
elbow.
know that there is a body part called tennis
Tennis
elbow.
elbow. मतलब किसी को पता नहीं था बट क्योंकि सचिन को, एंड उसके बाद within a matter of a few days everybody knows about tennis elbow. You can call that whole 90s and 2000s का whole 20 years as I think it was like Sachin who actually propelled the fever, cricket fever, कि जैसे वो आउट हो जाता था तो लोग टीवी बंद कर देते.
Correct.
You know, and that is actually a very and हम लोग भी उसको देख के बड़े हुए ना. MRF का बैट देख के ही, मतलब एक वो मेरे पास भी MRF का बैट था.
I think we all had a
We all had and so it's what I wanted to ask you actually. So where I was getting to कि इंडिया में तो चल ही रहा था but imagine कि so I grew up in India, he grew up in India, but like you grew up in Muscat. Okay, so like what was like the fever here, because जब हम बच्चे थे तो हमारा तो क्रिकेट का चलता ही था because पूरे टाइम वही चल रहा है. But like I wanted to know like कि इधर how is it?
The thing about this is that of course, I don't remember how the younger days. Like you can see, maybe when I was like 3 or 4, I don't remember that much. The memories I have is when I was maybe 5 or 6, and that is when I started my cricket coaching. So I had friends who were, of course, part of cricket coaching. So for me, cricket was just part of my life.
Yeah.
Every week, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, going for cricket coaching. 3 days a week, the entire year, going for cricket coaching. So cricket was my life at that time. And of course, TV. We had Indian channels. There was no shortage of that. It's not that because we are in Oman, we have to watch Omani channels and all. Nothing like that. We had Indian channels, watching the game every time. So for me, it felt like I'm in India. Like, you know, it felt like that. Maybe it would not be as crazy as how it is in India, but I was surrounded by people who used to play cricket, and it was as good as normal for me.
Yeah.
Tell us about 2018, 2nd April. How was it for you in Muscat? We had a crazy night that day.
2011.
11. 2nd April 2018.
I think you said 18.
I'm sorry, 2011.
2000, oh my God! For me particularly, I remember it because we had.
Oh yeah, that's a very good question. Yeah,
we had 2 TVs, okay, and the thing is, at that time there was this one thing that there's the set-top box in one room, but that connects to the other room.
Okay, yeah.
So it's working at the same time. It's the same thing. You change the channel there, change the over there.
I know.
I remember for some reason I sat in that room and things were going well for me. My dad was sitting in the hall. Things were going well over there.
The final, yeah.
It is the final. We sat in separate rooms, thinking that okay, you get up from your seat, something bad is going to happen. You know that superstition. So I sat in the bedroom. Dad sat in the hall. When Dhoni hit that 6, we ran. We came together, gave high fives and all that thing, and it was a big celebration.
जैसे कि I'll tell you, इंडिया में हम लोग ने तो बताना तूने क्या किया लास्ट में, तो then you can tell. तो जैसे कि हम लोग जब फाइनल के लिए, so we had met at a family friend's penthouse. तो बाहर उसने क्या किया था, प्रोजेक्टर लगाया था, ठीक है, एंड वो बड़ा स्क्रीन मंगा के, एंड we were a good 30-40 people, you know, like it was like a party. एंड मुझे याद है कि it was a bummer जब सचिन और सहवाग, I think we were 31 for 2 and 33 for 2, something like that. and like shit, this is going to be that kind of a final. But anyway, so वो match तो चालू है and like जीत रहे हैं, and then Dhoni comes and he does his thing, and जब वो 6 मारता है, like that is a 6 that you can never forget. जब 6 मारा तो उसके बाद हमारा तो क्या हुआ था कि we were at a penthouse and I could see कि okay everybody is walked out to the streets, ठीक है. एंड ये सेमीफाइनल में भी हुआ था जब हम पाकिस्तान को हराया था, और फाइनल में भी हुआ. एंड फाइनल में तो ऑफ कोर्स लाइक यू वन द वर्ल्ड कप, एंड एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक शाउटिंग एंड लाइक यू कैन पटाखे फूट रहे हैं एंड पीपल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग एंड शाउटिंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स. एंड देन हम लोग भी स्ट्रीट्स में उतर गए, हम लोग गाड़ी वाड़ी लेके, एंड it is a traffic jam everywhere you go. People have abandoned their cars. Bridge पे, I remember bridge पे. I was at a literally a flyover, ठीक है, and flyover के बीच में हम लोग ने गाड़ी रखी because traffic jam हो गया, ठीक है. And everybody is out and honking and like पूरा चल रहा है, and we had to leave our car. Like हम लोग ने गाड़ी छोड़ दी है for some time and we are walking on the street and like सब लोग इंडिया का झंडा वंडा लेके, and I think रात के फिर 2-3 बज गए थे बाय द टाइम वी केम, बिकॉज लिटरली हम लोग आ ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज पूरा ट्रैफिक था.
It brings such a joy,
Yeah.
I just from this, when you were talking this, I remember one interview. Okay, so this was back in 2013, I guess, when England came to India and Karun Nair hit those 300 runs.
Yeah.
It was in 2016.
16.
No, it was in 16
16.
when Karun Nair hits. Now that particular week, Jayalalitha has passed away a week back.
Right.
Okay, and there was a cyclone in Chennai. So this match was in Chennai, same Chepauk Stadium, and the cyclone has hit the city. There was this hotel which was very near to stadium. The facade of it's got broken down due to cyclone. The stadium was damaged. Somehow Chennai has worked it out to play it, and India won the match with all the colors. They hit some 700 runs and they won it. And one of the reporter has just gone down to the crowd, and one guy said it very nicely. He said it has been extremely bad week for us, but the Indian cricket team has given us a reason to smile.
Yeah.
I mean, it brings that level of joy to people.
But interesting point that you brought up. Actually, that's one of the reasons why cricket is so important to us. Is that, as you said, Chennai wala incident. And I think generally as Indians, an average Indian man has a lot of stress. Okay, like उसके life में बहुत उसको, an average Indian man has उसको खाने पीने के भी होते हैं, and like he has a lot of financial problems and family problems, this and that, and like cricket is that release, and कोई भी कैसा भी है, ठीक है, वो क्रिकेट पे बॉन्ड कर सकता है. तो अगर उसको किसी से कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी है पर क्रिकेट की बात कर रहे हैं तो दे विल बी,
and it's a good topic to start a conversation with
anybody. Like literally मैं कल शाम को, ठीक है, I was in the supermarket and I met one of our colleagues, and the very first thing, okay, hi, how are you and all that, and then मैं उसको पूछा और IPL ऑक्शन देखा क्या, and he's like कि यार क्या क्रेजी है ये, 16 करोड़ में जा रहा है, all that, and बीच में सुपरमार्केट के बीच में खड़े हैं, एंड मैं भी कुछ खरीद रहा हूँ, वो भी कुछ खरीद रहा है, बट बात करें कि IPL ऑक्शन देखा रहे, क्या पागलपन हो रहा है, एंड बॉलर्स को काफ़ी ये हो गया वो हो गया, उसको 16 करोड़ दिया है, ये है वो. सो लाइक वी कैन बॉन्ड ओवर लाइक क्रिकेट at any point.
Don't you think we are very ruthless as a cricket fans? I mean, think about it. I'll just give you a context. Our cricketers, right? All of them, I think, they were in bio bubble, which is not easy. Right? We read a lot about it. They were in bio bubble for IPL for around 3 months. Then they went shifted to Australia, where we had I don't know how difficult series that was.
Very tough.
Okay, right. And just a 10 days break, because I know they came on 12th of January from India, from Australia, and 22nd they had a camp in Bengaluru. So just 10 days break they got, and now they are again back for an England series. Right? So it's not difficult. It's very difficult if you think about it. Even the mental level, right? England, you see Josh Butler, they let it go because he's been away from his family for so long, and they are doing this rotation policy just that mentally cricketers doesn't get. So it's so difficult for a cricketer even. But every time an Indian cricket team comes onto the pitch and comes onto the ground, we wanted to win no matter what circumstances are, no matter what team we have, whether it's a A team, how many players are injured, we want them to win. And if they lost one, there are few people who are respectable, like as we discussed in the first test, you can give that discount of Having lost one test, it was understandable. They outplayed us. But there is a group of people who just cannot tolerate India losing. The day India lost, get out of Virat Kohli, bring Ajinkya Rahane captain. Don't you think we are very ruthless?
That
And we
is
are also
also-
not fit.
That is also another topic.
Yeah.
I mean, you can say all those, they get all those puppets and they burn them on the street.
Oh,
and all
yeah,
that.
that.
They
2007
do-
MS Dhoni incident, right?
MS Dhoni.
Oh, crazy.
I mean, okay, I do get it that 2007 World Cup was a shamble.
Yeah,
that was
100%,
bad.
yeah.
But the overreaction, I mean, okay, it is justified, but not justified to like break people's houses, throw stones at them, burn effigies,
FGs, yeah.
and all that. So yeah, that shows how
That's the flip
crazy, you know. But that, like you said, that's the bad side of being that great.
Okay. So we
cricket
make
player.
them gods, and when they don't perform, we shatter them to the.
Hmm.
I don't know what. I mean, you can see the example of Ganguly and Vinod Kambli, right? Sorry, Tendulkar and Vinod
Tendulkar,
Kambli. I'm
yeah.
sorry. Right?
And actually, हाँ मतलब हम लोग बहुत ruthless हैं.
Yeah, we're very ruthless as fans.
कि we
Like
are हाँ कि जैसे कुछ भी होता है and I think a lot of again yeah you're right it's a different topic altogether like we can do an episode on this but yeah that's the flip side of being
Indian cricket fans.
Indian cricket fans के the crazy side. In the ruthless side we're talking 2015 World Cup when we lost that game against Australia I think semi-final against Australia and I was at a friend's place ठीक है and we watched the game and of course like you know and Dhoni run out हुआ same उसमें भी हम लोग out हुए थे
But that was 2019.
But he got run out in
2015 wasn't against Australia. 2019 Dhoni run out was in Australia.
2015 में भी Dhoni run out हुआ
Okay.
Oh,
okay yes
in the semi-final.
in the semi-final
Wow.
okay and he was kind of like the only batsman left and उसके बाद I think he was 6 down or something like that and Dhoni run out हो गया and we still had to score some 100 odd runs so there was literally no way that we were going to be able to do that and again same 100 runs in some 50-60 balls something like that so Dhoni if we had to win that game Dhoni had to bat तो उसके पहले Indian top order did not perform well you know and they played poor shots and वो actually देखना चाहिए कि कैसे सब आउट हुए थे बट आई रिमेंबर कि अच्छा नहीं खेला टॉप ऑर्डर ने अच्छा नहीं खेला क्लियरली एंड बॉलिंग वाज ओके पर लोगों ने 300 350 रन बनाए थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड then I remember I was at a friend's place like all bummed out and everything and like shit you know Dhoni out one like I could cry कि shit यार ऐसा and I remember coming back home and I was living in a paying guest तो मेरे हॉल में टीवी था तो मैं अंदर आया and everybody is watching the news you know कि अब तो मैच तो ख़त्म हो गई अब क्या करें and we go to this news channel जहाँ पे बहुत debates होते हैं apparently so this is that 9 o'clock debate that is happening okay कि how can the Indian cricket players like how can they be you know they are representing the nation you know how can they play poor shots you know and they are showing the replays कि ऐसे shot कैसे like you know how is it allowed you are representing and you are playing a semi final you know and इतना pressure मतलब वो ठीक है ना नहीं खेला उसने खराब शॉट खेला तो आउट हो गया ना वो और तो क्या तुम उसको रिडिक्यूल भी कर रहे हो एंड देन यू नो एंड देन पब्लिक इज लाइक हाँ सही है यू नो कि ऐसे कैसे खेल सकते हैं एंड यू नो दिस डेफिनेटली दे डोंट हैव एनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड लाइक अपने डिस्कशन लाइक वी आर सो रूथलेस वी आर सो श्रूड कि हम लोग उधर तक पहुंच गए नाउ इमेजिन इफ दैट इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम वॉचेस दैट वो उनको क्या प्रेशर होगा लाइक आई थिंक दे वोंट बी एबल टू कोप विद इट मेंटली
Yeah, true.
के and I am sure there are a lot of players like you know who are going through a lot of this thing
And I think this has a lot to do with we as an Indian being very emotional. You know, we're very, very emotional about cricket if you think about it. Like how we celebrated in 2011, how we were upset when India lost against that New Zealand semi-final.
oh
Right?
yeah
And that was,
yeah
I think, the saddest and most depressing day for 2019. for us.
100%, 100%.
I mean, because we know the game was with us, and that one bad hour has just took the World Cup dream away from us.
actually you know that is one of the reasons why we are so obsessed with cricket is because I think इसमें ड्रामा ज़्यादा है ठीक है लाइक क्रिकेट में ड्रामा ज़्यादा है कि वो बॉल ऐसा डाला एंड वो एक बॉल में उसको 6 रन मारने लाइक देयर सो मच लाइक सॉकर में ऐसा नहीं है लाइक फुटबॉल में ऐसा नहीं होता कि यू नो कि उसको ये करना है लाइक उसको गोल मारना है दूसरा कुछ नहीं यहाँ पे तो कैसा है कि उसको एक बॉल में 6 चाहिए यू नो लाइक इट्स डू और डाई एंड यू नो there's like it's that kind of a तो पूरा dramatic हो जाता है, and then like the story that builds around it कि हम लोग 31 for 2 थे 2011 वर्ल्ड कप में, एंड सचिन और सहवाग आउट हो गए हमारे इनफॉर्म ओपनर्स, एंड विराट कोहली आया, एंड देन धोनी, हाउ धोनी केम फ्रॉम नंबर 4 to number 3, तो वो लाइक इट्स लाइक अ लेजेंडरी, लाइक इट्स अ स्टोरी. तो हम लोग ये सब स्टोरीज और ये सब ड्रामा लाइक सुनने में और क्रिएट करने में बहुत मजा आता है. अभी भी जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज हुआ कि वो भी क्या कैसा ड्रामा पूरा बिल्ड हुआ, हम लोग कितने ऑब्सेस्ड थे. आई रिमेंबर क्या आई कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक ट्वीट, ठीक है, एंड इमेजिन मैं जैसे बोल रहा था कि क्रिकेट नहीं होता तो लिटरली लाइफ हैज नो मीनिंग, बिकॉज अदरवाइज व्हाट एम आई ट्वीटिंग अबाउट, लाइक मेरा ट्वीट्स आर ऑल, माय ट्विटर फीड इज ऑल अबाउट क्रिकेट. तो वो नहीं होगा तो लाइक पूरा ऐसे क्या करूँगा क्या मैं फुल डे.
There was a big debate, I remember many years back, when T20 cricket was just coming up and it was becoming the new big thing, and where people were like saying that okay, is Test cricket dying? And people were like, oh yeah, because the faster format, or yeah, it's going to take over and all that thing. But at least for me, deep down, Test cricket has always been one of my favorite formats. Because it's just a different, it's a totally different feel, you cannot compare like the tactics behind a 50 over game and a 20 over game, and in Test cricket it's just totally different. And it is something that I was hoping deep down that I wish Test cricket does not stop, and Test cricket is something that at least I used to always look forward to. And I remember the India-Australia series, every time we go to Australia, was something that I used to look forward to so much. It's literally waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning just to watch Test cricket. People would, like, I remember my friends used to be like, oh, what, you're mad or what? Why you waking up to watch Test cricket? What is Test cricket? And then in my head I used to be that you don't know what Test cricket is, And that is the thing, at least, like you said about us Indians, being so crazy about cricket. But Test cricket, in particular, for me, is one of my favorite formats.
If you talk about it to some non-cricketing guy, he'll say you play for 5 days and then you're gonna draw. There's no win, there is no result. After playing 5 days, 450 hours, you cannot come up with the result. But there are a few, again, just coming to our conversation, there are a few cricketers, a few international cricketers who do amazingly well when they come against India. I mean, Alastair Cook was one of them, right? Saeed Anwar was one of them. Sanat Jayasuriya was one of them.
मतलब वो as you know, and that is coming back to our topic के वो हमको जो hatred है.
Yeah. Steven Smith, we used to hate
like,
this guy.
Like how much we hate the other teams and like those particular players. तो एक तो this is definitely another episode is India Pakistan rivalry. ठीक है, but talking specifically about के हम लोग इतना obsessed हैं with like rivalries and like तो सामने opposition के जो typical players होते थे, तो जैसे कि I know for a fact के रिकी पॉन्टिंग एंड सनत जयसूर्या, लाइक जैसे वो नाम बोलते ही एक वो अंदर वो फीलिंग आती है. शाहिद अफरीदी, लाइक वो प्लेयर्स का नाम सुन के अंदर से खून खोलता है कि लाइक कि हाँ वो साले ने हमको बहुत परेशान किया. लाइक आई थिंक लेटेस्ट वन इज ग्लेन मैक्सवेल.
स्टीव स्मिथ,
हाँ स्टीव स्मिथ तो है ही, ठीक है, बट लेटेस्ट वन इज ग्लेन मैक्सवेल बिकॉज वो किंग्स 11 के लिए कुछ नहीं किया एंड देन इंडिया के सामने उसने बहुत मारे यार. कितना आई थिंक 2 ODIs उसने बहुत रन पीटे हमारे सामने.
That also shows we're so hypocrite when it comes to cricket. I tell you why. Steven Smith, when he plays those 2 century matches, I remember we were also talking about it. Steve Smith is one of the best batsmen in the Test. It's a pleasure to see him bat. He's a great guy. But when it comes to him batting against India, we want that guy. Reach at the pitch. Let him go.
मतलब क्या तब तक होता है कि क्या बैटिंग क्या देखने का बैटिंग देखने का, पर हमारे सामने हट नहीं देखना बैटिंग. बहुत बैटिंग देख लिया, विराट कोहली का देखेंगे. So I think overall we've had a pretty good discussion, and to start this podcast off, I think we want to like make it more specific as we go on, but we want to like pehla hai to let's keep it generic and like just so that we also get into the groove. So we had a good discussion about Indians and their obsession with cricket, but so let's like close off करने के लिए मेरे को तुम लोग को कुछ पूछना था कि what is your like favorite cricket memory, or what is like your like the memory that you have and your favorite cricket memory?
I think for me, as we said, our best cricketing moment starts after 2000s, because at that time we started understanding the cricket, and the earliest memory what I have is that 2003 India-Pakistan game. I mean, the way we won at the 273, and I think that was the time I started getting hooked on to cricket. And that Sachin Tendulkar's uppercut six to Shoaib Akhtar, because he said something before, and that shot just defined the cricket for me. I think so. I think that is something which comes to my mind when you talk about a cricketing memory. There are so many, but
Yeah, that
this
is-
will
that
be
is
very
your-
special.
Yeah.
For me, because he talked about one of his earliest memories, so for me was that time where we went to we went to Australia in 2003, and Dravid won us the test.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
wow,
yeah.
yeah.
That was
This
because
last shot.
the last shot, he hit it in the covers,
Yeah.
and he took his cap
and his
off.
thumbs up.
So
Beautiful.
that, at least as a kid, was like, oh, winning in Australia is something that is such a big thing, and yeah, at that time that was like, one of my best memories.
So I cannot think of, like, right now I'm thinking of like 5 memories, like
Yeah, there are so many, but
there's
like,
so many,
there's
like,
something which comes to you instantaneously.
so yeah, like I'm not like World Cup obviously like the biggest one, but apart from that, if I have to say, like you actually stole mine, the Adelaide test.
Okay.
But yeah, apart from that, I really used to I really enjoyed, I think that game against Pakistan, in which I think Sehwag scored his first triple.
Multan.
Oh, Multan.
Multan,
Yeah.
yeah.
Again, 2003, I think.
2003.
Yeah.
And like it's nothing special, but it's just that I remember, okay, that's when I was really like, that was the peak of my cricket ke lag gaya, कीड़ा लग गया cricket का, and then उसने like and test match, like to be honest, because that was the first test match that I actually sat and watched, like पहले ball से last ball, ठीक है, and like I was obsessed with it कि क्या होगा, and then उसकी triple century बनानी है and all that. So I think that is a very good memory that I have. And उसके बाद like I knew कि अभी there's no turning back. So yeah, I think
We had a good conversation.
Yeah, we had a good conversation, and like we can pick this off next time. We can discuss like a little something more specific, or like something about. But yeah, I think it's a good way to start off.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Signing off.
signing off.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.